Wait, are you really introducing me or do I just
I'm gonna introduce you.
So I should go back over here.
You don't have to. Like, I mean, you can sit here and I can just go like, hey, there's Rose.
No, I just made it weird.
Yeah, I'll probably add that in at a different point at the end. No.
I'm just gonna drink because I'm weird.
Alright, welcome back to Corbin Does Something. Today we have Rose.
Rose. Her name was Rose.
Rose.
Hi.
And Rose is gonna cook us some chicken nuggets. What kind of nuggets are these?
We've got 1 real chicken nugget and 3 vegan chicken nuggets.
And I'm gonna have to figure out which one's the good one.
Ooh. What does that specifically mean?
So I'm gonna rate the nuggets.
I really think you're gonna have trouble a little bit.
Yeah?
Okay. Some
Okay.
people really don't.
So I'm gonna rate the nuggets, and then Rose is going to reveal which one's which.
The fake nuggets? The veggie nugs? Or the chick nugs?
Yeah.
Well, chick nug. There's only one.
So I'm kind of at a disadvantage here. So let's go ahead and pop on into it.
Let's pop it on.
All right. I never said that before. And,
It felt right. It felt right. I
That's
floated
what she
it.
said.
Wait. Woo, over the head. Okay, we have 4 nugs.
All right.
Can you see it?
I don't know.
Yep, I can see it. It
Okay.
says nug life. It says nug life. It says nug life. Okay, now you have to get out and then we'll place the
Okay. All
nuggets.
right. Make sure that you get it like on there.
Okay.
And
Okay.
you know which ones are which, and you
Yeah.
can say which brand and all that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I gotta read. Well, yeah, I do.
Okay. All right. I'll be right here.
Okay. I'll be in here doing some nug stuff. Holy chicken nuggets. Oh, I don't want to mess them up. Wow, chicken nuggies. Okay. Here we go. Oh, chicken nugget. Okay. You can like edit out stuff, right?
No, it's all live.
Ah. Okay.
Language.
Oh. No peeking. No peeking!
Over here.
This will be nugget number 1. Ooh. Okay, so I'll do that after. Nugget number 2. Nugget number 3. Nugget number 3. Oh yeah. 4's for whores. I'm funny. Okay. Okay. Holy nuggets. Oh yeah. Okay, we're ready! Woo! Oops.
All right.
Just don't look over that way. But here's our nuggets.
Nice.
Nuggets. Just no,
I
you
don't
didn't
know,
even
I
get
can't
it. No. There. Nug life. Hi, welcome to Rosie's restaurant. I have nuggets for you.
What?
And I numbered them, so
I-
you don't lose count. You know when you eat something and you're like eating and you're eating and then you go to grab the next bite and it's not there?
No.
I hate when that happens.
Is that?
Is that?
There's a menu on here.
Goodbye. Oh,
There we go.
welcome to my restaurant.
Wow.
Okay.
I was like, oh, I'm gonna have to edit that out. I guess I'll have to keep it for the joke.
Yeah.
All right. Which one should I start with?
1.
Really?
I mean, why? That was the point of the numbers.
Oh.
You can do whatever you want with your
Okay.
life.
I'm gonna start with number 4.
Veggie nuggets number 4.
You see that? It feels rough.
I made them crispy because I like all nuggets crispy.
Let's see.
I did convection bake.
It smells all right. I'm waiting for that seaweed smell to come out.
The anticipation is killing me. So, how are we feeling about this nugget?
Well, actually not too bad.
Not too bad, he says.
Yeah. Not too bad for number 4.
Okay.
I'd give it a.
What is the
I mean,
scale?
it's not out of 10.
Out of 10?
I'd give it a.
I think that's too many numbers. 1 to 5.
I already got a system rating thing where
Oh,
it's just
shit.
things on my face.
Oh, okay, cool. There's 10 Corbin faces.
Yeah, I'll give it a 5.
Hey, 5 is good.
There's no aftertaste, which means that's probably the real one, but we'll find out. All right.
Okay, which one's next?
We're gonna jump over to number 2.
2 for you.
This looks really bad. I don't know if you can see that. I'll zoom in later. Look at that. It's like a little.
It's a little orange.
Yeah.
I'm not really sure about the orange color.
Yeah.
I made it a little crispy to take away that color, but. How are we feeling about that one?
That one's not too bad either.
It looks pretty real.
Does it?
I mean, it looks pretty real.
It smells real.
I mean, if considering I don't eat meat, it looks real.
I actually really like the crunch to this one.
Thank you. That's my cooking skills.
Wait, I put it in the oven.
You did put it in the oven.
Yeah.
High five.
Teamwork. What's
Makes
gonna
the
work?
dream work. Oh, teamwork. I wasn't prepared for that one. Not at all.
I mean, it's Wonder Pets. What's gonna
Wonder
work?
Pets, Wonder Pets, on our way. Oh my god! I literally forgot about that show. They're so cute.
Okay.
Maybe you should save a bite for like a round
Yeah.
2, like a round
Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking. I really like the crisp of that one,
Mhm.
but that one,
2. Number 4.
I don't know if it tastes better. You know what? I'm gonna give this one a 6.
A 6. We're going up. We're moving on up on the scale.
Oh.
We're on number 1.
And this one's burnt.
Hey,
Really crispy.
crispy.
Yeah.
Actually, you know what? I fucked up because I should have asked how you like your nuggets before I made the nuggets.
I like them from McDonald's. Hey.
They're crispy.
Yeah.
No, listen, they're what I remember. They're
They're crispy.
But under that crisp was that weird slime.
And I love that slime.
I wish I knew that before I did this. I would have cooked that way differently. We'll have to do another video.
Alright.
We're doing the nuggets McDonald's style.
So we got number 1.
Okay. Like me. What?
That doesn't taste real.
Okay, when you do it all and you expose them all, I'll tell you which one's my favorite of all of these. And then I'm gonna be like, wait.
Yeah, this one.
Okay, but it's weird you don't have a dipping sauce, but you for this experiment you can't use a dipping sauce.
Yeah.
But
usually
sauce
use
is
a
life.
dipping sauce.
Sausage.
You gotta lay off the sauce, jeez.
Sauce. You know what?
I'm gonna give that one a 2.
Oh, 2. Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't taste real. And
You're just not into it.
there's the aftertaste.
Let me smell it. Okay.
Okay.
Is that weird?
Then you smell my food?
Yeah.
I mean,
It's kind of
at least you did it before it digested.
It's kind of my thing to smell people's food, but it's fine. Because I don't eat meat or dairy, so when meat or dairy around me, I just smell it. I go like, that smells good, but I'm not gonna eat it.
All right.
People
So
are gonna think I'm lying, but I'm not. Sorry.
I'm gonna start paying attention to my food now.
Okay.
She's gonna just be.
Well, I like a good whiff.
All right, number 3. This one is really like rough.
This is the way you like it. He didn't say no. He didn't say no.
I like to give 100%. 110%, and sometimes people can't handle that.
Well, you know, you go out there and you give 110% and you want to play good and, you know, you hope you play good. I think we play pretty good tonight.
Oh. Wreck that whip.
Alright, let me just put this thing in my mouth.
This just got real weird.
That's even worse than the last one.
Let me smell it. Ooh. It smells interesting. Not very many spices in that one. This one has the most spice smell.
I'm gonna give that one a 1.
Wow, a 1.
Maybe less.
Do you need some water? You look like you're joking. I might have made him a little crispy.
No, it's just so, like, there's a taste that's coming up that's just really bad.
Ooh.
Oh, alright.
It's coming up. Do we need a bucket?
No, I'm not gonna throw up, I'm a man. Alright,
So,
let me go back through them.
okay. We're
Now
gonna do
that
another
I've
round.
tasted them all. So I'm back to 4.
Yeah. I feel like you should have a glass of water to clean your mouth out. Please wait. While the next subscriber you're trying to reach is located. From the jug. Oh,
Yeah, everything just tastes bad now. That's the best tasting thing that I've had.
We have more if you need another taste. I need a number 3. I'll be back right with your 3, Nug.
I don't know if that's I'll finish it off.
Yeah, you're gonna leave a little. It was like the
Little nugget of the nugget.
little nug in the nug. Are we dealing? We're dealing some nugs over here.
I don't know if that was the real one. I'm gonna keep the rating at a 5 on that one though.
Okay.
And this one, I'm trying to break it apart.
The consistency.
This one's really good. I'm gonna keep it at a 6, but like, I'll be amazed if that one's the meat one, like the real one. But both of those were pretty good.
Okay.
Number 4, it's definitely edible. Number 2 is really good. Would be better with like sweet and sour sauce though.
But the thing is when you do eat nugs, you're always dipping it in something. Or like chopping it up and putting it in a wrap. You don't really necessarily eat them alone.
I do a lot. Sometimes I don't want to take the time to open the container where I'm driving. You ever try dipping while you're driving? You gotta have 2 hands going.
I saw on social media they have a little, since you do McDonald's, they have a little.
Wow, I feel so judged.
You were so judged.
I thought I was doing the judging here, but.
Listen, I have to be somewhat judgmental from the sidelines.
Alright, so.
Number 1.
Number 1 again.
Do you think number 1 is real at all? Okay. Number 1 is out. For you. Let me smell it.
It got worse. That's why I know it's not real. It was the last time I made vegan nuggets. That one day when I was gonna, like, I bought a bunch of vegan food, and then I was like, all right, let me try this for like a week, and then I was like super grossed out by the nuggets that I bought. And my sister-in-law at the time lived right around the corner, not knowing that I was doing this. She made pulled pork for her whole family, and they had leftovers, and she showed up at my door with a thing of pulled pork and extra buns, and I was like, you just saved my life.
Oh my god, that's hilarious.
And it was so good. Alright, that's god awful.
Okay, so 1 and 3 are out for sure. Do you need another 4 and 2 nug? Or should we just full send the answers?
Let's do the answers because
Okay, I want to hear what you think is the legit true nug.
well, I'm pretty sure it's
Well-
4 or 2.
Okay, yeah.
I'm really hoping it's 2, but I feel like the crappy quality of 4, like 4 was okay, but it looked like it was crappy quality because it's Kroger brand.
Yeah, we should tell them that we did a low-key chicken nugget.
Yeah.
It was just a regular Kroger brand chicken nugget versus.
So I kind of want to say 4 is the real one,
Okay.
and 2 is really good, and probably the only alternative for a nugget ever.
Okay.
I bet it's the Boca.
You think it's Boca?
No.
Okay, I don't remember what the numbers are, but I know which one's the real one.
Didn't you write it down?
Yeah, I wrote it down, but it's not in front of my face. I have like 3 different fake ones.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Beer.
There's a lot of you running back and forth.
Okay.
All right.
So, which one was your worst? The worst one?
The worst one was number 3.
Morningstar.
And you
And
said
I
that it was
literally
awful,
told
yeah.
you Morningstar has the worst meat alternatives ever, and I've had them all. Number 3?
Number 3 was the Morningstar. That was
Okay,
the
number
worst.
1,
Number 1 was the second worst.
corn brand, Quorn.
Oh, is that how you say it? I thought it was corn. Corn.
Normally their spicy stuff is good. So you think number 4 is the real one? Right?
Actually,
That is your final answer.
I'm gonna go back to 2 being the real one.
You can't switch after you saw the pan. You saw the pan.
Okay, yeah, it is.
Number 4, see? I caught him. Number 4 is Boca. Yum. Number 2 is the Kroger nugget.
So the one that I liked the most was the real one. And the one that I was like, this looks like garbage, but it tastes alright, is the fake one.
I knew Boca was going to be the best one. I called it. I said, Boca's going to be the best one.
Yeah. Wow.
Oh, yeah, those are good.
If you like this video, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe. If you subscribe, Rose will be back next week with chocolate milk. Like real chocolate milk. Look at that.
Oh, I'm not going to drink real chocolate milk.
Wow, maybe.
I'll drink.
All right.
Whoa! Now we eat?
Now we get weird in front of it.
That was good.
All right, you like me that?
Bye.